Should you repair or replace your air conditioner? It's a decision every homeowner in Spanish Fort will eventually face. Start with these two key factors. What is the cost of the repair? What is the age of your system? If your AC is breaking down often, your energy bills keep climbing, or you have a costly repair, these are strong signals to replace your AC. If the repair cost is modest and your system is less than 12 years old, a repair followed by regular scheduled AC maintenance should do the trick. When your AC is more than 12 years old, consider a replacement because today's high-efficiency systems deliver better comfort and use less energy. If it's time to welcome in a new system, you'll love the modern comfort of a high-efficiency Daikin air conditioner or Ductless mini-split heat pump. When it's time to replace your air conditioner, it's time to call Mallard Heating and Air, proudly serving Spanish Fort, Daphne, and Fairhope. Call 251-225-4035 today.